Good afternoon, good afternoon. Got a little cooking going on here. Last night I put a couple large chunks of beef in the bottom of the refrigerator on a tray to let it start defrosting. Then this morning put in here with some seasonings on this crock pot, put that thing on low. Just a moment ago, I sliced up an onion, half an onion, before having an egg sandwich for late lunch. Then cut up me one of these carrots. I forget the type of carrot this is. It comes from a local organic farm. And then I'm going to scrub these sweet potatoes that come from there too, and slice them up. Dump it all in there, and then this evening I'll have me a nice stew. That beef, that's slow cooking. When it's done, it'll just fall apart. I don't need to cut it, cube it, or nothing. It just sit there and cook since this morning. So, got me an easy meal going on while I've been outside working, loading half a cord of firewood in the truck that was cut laying around in the way, and changing oil in the car and all kind of stuff. It don't take a lot to throw something together. I used to cook goulash all the time. I'd take me a big steel pot, crumble fry some ground beef in there, put a lid on it to drain the grease off into a container, and then put me some canned vegetables in there and just let it slowly cook up, and with the lid off to cook the water out, or maybe drain some of the excessively salty water out of some of the cans. Stir that all up. Big old pot. When it's done, I'd eat a bowl or two of it and put the rest in little small containers, about twice that size, and have some meals. And this stuff, that's not going in the garbage. It's going in another container to get carried outside and dumped to become mulch, to fertilize or let the bugs have it. There's no chickens here yet, so the darn grasshoppers are kind of wiping out what I'm trying to go, but hey, it happens. Anyway, a little bit more CRR news and clues. The clues is there are nice, easy ways to do things. This was given to me over 15 years ago probably, and didn't hardly use it. I don't have time to stand over a stove, and a lot of people don't, but as long as I'm at home, to be able to just take and stir that once in a while. And I do prefer to use plastic utensils, especially if it's one with a white inside. I got one here that actually has a removable insert, but the cord went bad, so I've got to get connectors in order to replace or shorten the cord to put it back into use. It's so much easier to clean. You can find stuff like this at thrift stores and Goodwill or whatever you got around. Stuff like that, I go brand new, just make sure it works and keep on keeping on. Even this thing here, that was given. It's not new.